came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
Hey, welcome back, team. We got a new workout for you today, Army Combat Cross Training. Breaking down the workout, 10-minute time cap. You're gonna do 10 repetitions of the push-up pull-through, push the sled down, do 20 repetitions of the mountain climbers, push the sled back, and then you will repeat. Push-up pull-through, it's gonna be a standard push-up with a pull-through movement added in. Make sure you spread those feet out, reach through with the arm that is opposite the weight, and then pull that through. Standard mountain climbers, nothing special here. Sled push, you're gonna get low, make sure you stay low, and really get after it, driving your feet through the floor. If you don't have access to a sled, you can easily substitute in a standard sprint. ACXT going live in 3, 2, 1.
Great work, team. Post your rounds, and remember, stay fit.
Be resilient.
Always ready.
Push-up pull-through. Make sure that you spread your feet out a little bit. It's going to require some stabilization. Also stay tight through that core. For the mountain climbers, standard there, nothing extra. And for the sled push, like I said, make sure you get low, stay low, and drive those feet through the floor.